Okay, so I'm gonna reference free sites. It's text to image, yeah. It's text to image AI sites. So let's see the first one. So the first one is, okay, let's just leave that one for now. First one is Leonardo.ai. Very easy to use. You've got your prompt box here and generate. So basically just put in your prompts and you can generate whatever you want. Settings wise, you don't need to worry about the settings much. I would put it on photo real. The free version, obviously you get credits, but I've used all my credits already. I put in spring break and it gave me this. It's not too bad. And the other one was girl in the desert. So let's put something else in. So monkey driving a car. Let's copy that. Okay, let's generate that. While that's generating, let's go to the next one. So this is playground. Very easy to use as well. Here's your prompt box, text box. Let's just paste that in there. You put in your prompt and you generate. Here you can use the filter, so it's gonna base your photo or your picture off the filter. Kill that. Okay, it's quick. Look at that. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I've used masterpiece on the previous one, so you can see her outfit looks pretty cool. Here's masterpiece, but you can use realism engine, so that's photo realistic, and you can choose between those ones. So let's see, Leonardo. Yeah, that's pretty real. Looks pretty good. I mean, for a free version, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Obviously, this one went off the masterpiece now. So if I say realism engine, let's see what it does. Okay, the last one I want to show you is which one is this now? Seaart AI. Now this one is NSFW, so it's not suitable for work. It wants to whatever you generate, it wants to take the clothes off. Wants to take the clothes off. As you can see, it's a bit more risky, but it generates very nice photos, and it's completely, well, it's free. You get credits, but I mean, you can generate tons of photos. So this is the girl in the desert, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty nice. Here you can set the models. Where's that going to? Obviously, epic realism, whatever you want the photo to look like. So all you have to do is use the prompt box. You put something in there. Let's put that monkey one in there and see what happens. Let's go to the other ones. Okay, so this one is the realism engine. That was the, what was that one? Masterpiece. Just by changing that, it changes your photo completely. Yeah, this was the masterpiece one as well. This is very good. Looks pretty good. Okay, this one, you don't need to change any settings. The only thing I would change is photo real, so it will make it look even better. This one, where is the other one now? Okay, look at this. 3 completely different photos or pictures. Look at this one. What the hell? Looks almost like a human being. Wow. But yeah, you can just generate anything in this. Now Seaart is actually cool because you can do face swap. You can swap the faces of two photos. So that's pretty cool. It works most of the time. Anything else here? I've got a bunch of stuff in here that actually works very well. So obviously if you go to Seaart, you will land on this page. This is the front page. And I think he just clicks on generate and it will go to this one. But you can just scroll through photos. You can search for photos here. What should we type in? Seashore. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, see. It's a bit more risky. You don't know what you're gonna get, but I mean, it's not bad at all. I don't want to scroll too much, because then I have to edit too much again. Edit it out. I don't know why it gives me that, but anyway. But this site, if the other two site doesn't give you the right picture, I usually go to this one. So yeah, this is the free sites. Not bad for generating free pictures. Okay. Oh fuck, now what I really say. Stop.